guys, it's your little buddy Brandon Payne, and I'm actually here with Vic Bailey Ford in Lincoln, and had Matt and Kayce Fisher, good customers of mine, reach out to me and had a need for some painless buying, and they actually ended up getting an Audi, but were nice enough to send one of their friends and co-workers, Adam, who actually just purchased this new Ranger Sport. It's an XLT, and it's remote start, really nice truck. Excuse me, really nice truck, the EcoBoost. And Adam was nice enough to say a couple of things about his painless buying experience.
Oh, yeah.
Sharp guy.
How you doing? Yeah, Brandon's been awesome.
Thank you for saying that.
Really awesome guy. Really easy to work with. Very genuine, very honest. That's why I went with this car, definitely.
Awesome, man. Well, I'm excited for you. And again, thank you very much for saying that. It helps me out a lot. Guys, you can reach out at 770-256-2797. Make it a great day.